Alrighty, Jeff here. I hope today is finding you all safe here. I wanted to show you some of the special buys here that we found here on Home Depot's website today on certain Milwaukee tools. I know for a while it seemed like they were only giving us DeWalt deals, but it looks like today we have Milwaukee. So I was kind of scanning around here. Some are decent deals, some are an absolute joke. But here's one here that that caught my eye, and I really like this deal here. So let's take a look at this one here. So here what they're giving you is the M12 Fuel. This is the 12-volt lithium-ion brushless cordless kit here. Now what's nice is this impact driver, and this is a hammer drill as well here. It comes with a charger, and I think it looks like it's only one battery in this kit here. Now this is their most compact hammer drill on the market, probably. So this price right here, they normally charge $229 for the kit. So if you look and just look at the kit by itself here, you can see here they normally charge $229 for this particular kit. Okay, but coming back here and looking here, and what makes this a special buy today is, you see this little plus sign here and right next to it, and this is a great tool here. So this right here, if we can blow it up here and show you here, this is the ratchet here, the 3/8" electric ratchet. Now this is not brushless, but you know, it doesn't really need to be. It's kind of a slow spinning. I believe it does at the most something like a couple of hundred RPMs per minute. I own this particular tool here, and I love this tool, and I'll tell you why this is such a great tool here. So here's a close-up look here. So currently Home Depot normally charges $149, so you figure $150 for the tool only version of this ratchet. Now I bought it 3 years ago, so I've been enjoying this tool already for the last 3 years, and I think I paid $129 when I got it here. But what's so cool about this particular ratchet here is it's an electric ratchet here. And so when you're trying to undo bolts and stuff that you're in a limited area, like working in your engine, this thing's great because you just plug a deep socket onto it and stick it in tight areas that you really can't get to with your ratchet, and let it do the spinning work for you. You don't have to keep ratcheting back and forth and back and forth. So for example, over on our carbuyingtips.com channel here, we just uploaded a video actually a couple of weeks ago on a repair that we were doing, and here you can see we were doing some work in the wheel well here and needed to use this tool here. Take a look at this. I love this cordless motorized ratchet that I use here. We've been using these for years. I highly suggest you get one of them. Makes real quick work. And you take the wheel off. So you can see that once you loosen the wheel lug nuts, using this tool to spin them all the way the rest of the way is just very, very helpful. And same with spinning them up and getting them into place afterwards. You know, reinserting all of your bolts afterwards. Another place that I think is very beneficial for this tool that I've used it extensively is whenever we're installing a new dishwasher. So you can use it for screwing the dishwasher to the bottom of the counter, which you should be doing, by the way. And I can't tell you how many installations I've seen of dishwashers where whoever installed it just they failed to mount the dishwasher to the underside of the cabinet or to the side of the cabinets in the case of granite where you can't screw into it. But either way, this tool is really good, as you can see there, for getting into that area. And I also like to use it at the bottom of the dishwashers as well when you have to adjust the legs, because it's a real pain in the butt to do it with, you don't want to mess around with using channel locks or a wrench on the floor there trying to figure out how to tighten or loosen these legs here to raise or lower your dishwasher here, when you can just use this ratchet tool to do it for you. Alright, so you can see over here on Amazon, they're big on creating their own kits over here as well. Now these are sold by Milwaukee directly on Amazon. And they also have several other kits and battery deals and stuff there that you can check on Amazon. And a lot of them are Amazon Prime as well, or free shipping. So you can go over there and check those out. I'll put a link in the description down below here for you so you can check it out after you watch this video, of course. By the way, just as a plug here for our carbuyingtips.com YouTube channel here. This is our other channel that we operate here. We have all sorts of videos in different categories here, like how-tos and car repairs, and we do different product reviews, and we also reveal to you the different dealer scams. We also cover car dealer scams, and you're going to see a lot more of these videos coming up. You know, we have been online since 1999, protecting you, the American car buying public, and educating you as well in all areas of buying new cars and used cars with information on avoiding the dealer scams. So you're going to see a lot more coming up here, because you're going to see, with the coronavirus here, you're going to start to see a lot of car dealer scams related to these coronaviruses. The car dealers are notorious for using really bad events to scam you. So for example, after the 9/11 terrorist attacks, they came up with this Patriot Act scam. So we're going to be uploading more information for you folks to protect you. So make sure when you visit us at carbuyingtips.com here on YouTube that you click here if you're not subscribed already, and make sure you click the little gray bell icon as well over there. That way you'll be alerted every time we upload a video, because there's going to be some important videos coming up here for you folks. Alright, so we've beaten this deal into the ground already here. And by the way, this is not a one-day sale. This is a special buy. We don't know how long it's going to go on, but I would imagine until they get rid of all of them. That would be my guess. But at least for now, you're not under the gun to buy it today. So let's go see what else we have here. And now, as I look over here, this one's a joke. So how they're calling it a special buy, let's take a look at this here. So this is Milwaukee's M18 cordless wet dry vac. I bought this one at Black Friday. Now I bought it as part of the BOGO, the buy one get one free sale, where if you bought the Milwaukee starter package there with the charger and the 2 batteries, this was free. But at the time that they were giving this free, the Black Friday price for this as a tool only was $89. So that is my reference price. When you see special buy next to 119, that's not a special buy, guys. This is the price that this vacuum has been at since the minute I saw it arrive at Home Depot. So don't let them fool you with this. Sometimes they throw these little special buy icons on here, and they're not really a special buy. I don't understand why they're saying that, but I just wanted to alert you to that. So if you see $119, don't buy it at that price. That is not a good price. That is their normal price. Now, if you have to buy one and you need one and you're okay with that, fine. But I'm telling you right now that the reference standard for the best price that we've seen on this vacuum so far is $89. Okay, so here's another deal here. It's not like groundbreakingly huge, but here they're giving you 2 of the 6.0 amp hour batteries here. These are for the XRs. So these are 2 for $129. Now, just a spot check over on Amazon, you can see that DeWalt is charging $119 for one over there on Amazon. So sometimes you'll see that where the actual manufacturers, when they're selling stuff on Amazon, will be charging full price, while other stores at the exact same time will be selling the same exact item at a much better price. Okay, so now, instead of maybe just hopping right in and buying this battery pack here, you might want to scroll down a little further here and look at this deal. So this one here, they're throwing in a charger. So if you're in the market for another charger there and you want to spend another $20 here, and keep in mind, these are only 5 amp hour batteries though, so they kind of like give a little bit, they take a little bit. So what they're doing is they're giving you 2 5 amp hour batteries instead, but you're getting a charger and a carry bag. So this might be something that you're more in line with if you have nowhere to store all of those other batteries that you're looking at buying. Okay, so as we scroll along further, I see another interesting deal here. Now this right here, this is that M18. So before we showed you the M12, that more compact hammer drill with the impact driver. This one here is also brushless, but it's an M18 Fuel version of it. And normally with this here, you would get both the drivers, each one with their own battery and a charger, and it comes in the nice plastic case, which is what I actually prefer here. So you can see the normal price on this is actually $349. But what they're doing today is they're throwing in this additional 5.0 amp hour battery here for free. It's a red lithium XC. And just to kind of bounce it off Amazon to show you a sanity check here. So Amazon, with the kit without the free extra battery, is charging you $329. So yeah, their price normally is about $20 cheaper than Home Depot normally sells it for, with the addition of now Home Depot is adding this extra battery in, which adds quite a bit of value to this deal for you here. So at Home Depot, you're paying $20 more for the kit, but you're getting the free battery along with it here. Hey, just a reminder, if you're liking this video so far, go ahead and click that like button down below. It lets us know that you like us. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, remember we have all sorts of videos in many categories like home renovations and bathroom remodeling and plumbing and cabinets and all sorts of engineering disasters and construction failures and tool reviews as well here. And of course we do all of these shop with me's that normally we do them as live streams. So make sure you click the subscribe button here, and when you do that, make sure you go ahead and click on that little gray bell icon right there, and then say that you want all alerts from this channel. That way every time we upload a video you'll get notified, and also whenever we go live you'll be notified too. Well, anyway, that's it for this one, folks. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we'll see you guys all on the next one.